I wonder if that's Tommy.
Maybe he wants to be a hotshot. There's like a...
Oh my heck, it's a ball. We're at another furniture store, still looking for sofas.
It's heavy. Feel it.
Yeah. Oh my heck.
I see your problem. Do you have any problems lately?
Lately, I've been experiencing thoughts of suicide. What should I do?
Kill somebody.
Here we are at the fireside. The moon is shining bright. And you hear a ghost in the darkness.
That was a yucky experience.
Hey guys, I'm gonna teleport you to Collin. Ready? Here, let's take you to Collin. Here, here you go.
This ain't my camera. This ain't my camera. I do not know what's wrong.
There you guys are. I thought I lost you guys. Whew. That was a close one.
This is the end.
Oh, these stink. We're at furniture store number 2. Yeah. We're having table wars. Whoa. That's another couch I'd like to sit in with Johnny Depp. Look at just enough room for another person. That's big. I think Johnny Depp and you should sit. No, Johnny Depp and I. Yes. Sophia.
I just moved the table.
What's so funny? What's so funny? Uh-huh. Here. We have too much fun at furniture stores. I don't know why. It's just so much fun. Nice.
It was this tune. Wait, what? Wait, what? Pardon me so badly.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why are they always... Kids are like loners. They're just yelling. It looks like Rocket.